Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, ang gagawin natin ay we're going to do a simple makeup and re-review natin itong eyebrow gel from Baby. So let's go. So ayan, nakapag skin prep na ako and let's put some primer.
Don't worry, Daddy. Grandpa and I got you into this mess, so we'll find a way to fix it.
For that, so this primer is from O2O, the 04. Ganyan lang natin. Ito lang natin si Kanan. Magawa ng video. Mga buhay-buhay na ito, friend. Yan. Next is, magdalaga na tayo ng foundation. So this foundation is from Pink Flush in the shade Sultan Walnuts. Ay, maliit lang kasi simple lang ang gagawin natin. Magdalaga na lang natin. So I'm using the puff. Blend lang natin all over our face. Magalaga lang tayo ng concealer. Yung gagamitin ko is from Pink Flush and Dazzle Me. So itong Dazzle Me, medyo mas darker siya. Lagyan natin doon sa mga dark spots natin. Tsaka nagkaka-breakout ako ngayon, guys. Kaya
That was very brave of you to share, Tootsie. We promised to forget to hold Tootie's trouble.
And ito, ang gagamitin natin concealer dito sa ating under eye is from Pink Flush kasi mas light konti. Ganun din dito sa ating crest. Ayan. So while waiting na mag-set yung ating concealer, meron tayo dalawang Babe Free eyebrow gel mascara. So meron akong shades ito, dark brown and ash brown. So try natin itong dalawa. Okay na. So I'm going to use the ash brown color. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang packaging. Super cute. And the price is medyo kaya lang. Nasa 200 plus yung price niya. And lagay na natin. Ayan. Ang amoy niya okay lang din siya, guys. Ayan pala yung mukha niya before I forgot. Ayan. Basta yan siya, guys. Para siyang mabuhok. Sa kabila.
Wins the semifinals of my Swish Basketball Tournament.
Ganyan siya, guys. Ayan. So kung hindi ganun sa kapalong mas maganda siya tingnan.
Splash Splash!
Ayan.
Baby's team wins! They're headed to the finals, where the winner will receive the Splish Basketball Trophy.
Ayan, so far, kasi na-trim ko na yung kilay ko, guys. Ayan siya, okay naman siya. And mabilis lang din siya ni-apply. Ayan. So meron ito sa black na kung gusto nyo i-apply. So ngayon ay i-add natin yung ating concealer dito sa ating under eyes. Dito sa
For tomorrow's championship game, Baby's team will face off against
dito sa ating breast.
Shadow, why am I not surprised? But where's the rest of your team?
Bait and Switch are going to Planty's first dance recital, so they won't be able to play.
Nakahinanakit sa mukha.
I got new teammates who are totally galactic.
Next is maglalagyan tayo nitong contour, liquid contour. Ito siya, guys, from Shigla, the shade Warm Honey. Lagyan tayo ito sa ating gilid. mas gatong ganyan para mas
They're more than pretty
paano
good.
yung
They're
sinayan.
unbelievable.
Ganyan din sa kabila.
What is their jaws and ballers?
Ayan, dito sa ating baba ng jaw. Ayan. Ayan sa ilong pa pala.
Can't make them all, right? Yep, I'm confident
Ayan.
that I'm feeling less confident.
And then yung nilagay natin sa ating as liquid blush, ito from Pretty Secret, Go With The Glow Lip and Cheek Soft Glow Tint in the shade Warm Blush. Super light lang talaga nito guys. Ayan, ito ko na ilagay.
By Squashball legends Mark Pixie
Ayan.
and Timothy Toothwell.
Thanks, man, Angela. It's Johnson to be here. Yeah. The championship.
Ito na natin i-blend yung contour.
Here we go again. Come on, Tim. You almost won the championship. Celebration. And you almost kept these nachos. Not cool, Tim. You know I like my nachos.
Guys, kita ko galing ka-expert sa makeup na ito, pero I'll try my best.
Catch you later, fishy.
Ito. Hindi ako naglagay sa noo ko guys kasi parang masyadong lumiit yung noo ko kapag lagyan ko pa ng contour. Gamit lang tayo ng kamay pang blend dito sa ating blush. Super cute na at saka amoy siya candy. Nakakabit na talaga kapag may makeup nito.
It's halftime, and I gotta say, it looks like Baby's team is in the clam cooler. The lid is shut, the light is out, and the gelatin is wiggling.
This is humiliating. On a galactic scale. Spin up, William. And who knows? Maybe Shadow's team used up all their energy in the first half. Well,
Napadami naman ito sa kanila.
guess we're not gonna be split.
Kalimutan ko pala maglagay ng concealer dito.
I just got the chills. Art and Timothy are right.
Ayan, i-shade na i-blend na natin yung ating contour dito sa ating
Squashball trophy is as good as mine.
Ayan, and gamit lang tayo ng pop dito sa ayan. Ayan, yung set lang natin yung ating cream product sa ano kayo sa English, Pink Flash Loose Powder. Ayan. Manin pala kapag araw-araw mong ginagawa ito, kaya parang namamani mo na siya guys. Ayan. Waiting guys. Apply lang muna tayo ng eyeshadow sa ating mata. Yung ginagamit ko pala, ay yung ginagamit ko ngayon is from Baron Bliss in the shade 04. The Thank You. Ayan yan. Thank you ba? Oh, thank you ang nakalagay guys. Hindi lang natin ito pala simple makeup lang ito guys.
Played a good game.
Good game? Ew.
Ayan lang natin ang maayos.
It's mine
Para maganda yung
award the
outfit niya. nagkaroon tayo itong shimmer dito sa inner part ng ating eye. Ganyan lang siya guys. Ito lang yung kadalas yung ginagawa ko pagka pupunta ako ng school. Ayan siya. Set na natin yung nilagay natin kayo ng loose powder.
Is it true, Slobby? Did you do all of this? Hear that? Slobby says he's innocent.
Unlikely story. All about this mangy menace.
Ayan, nagalang tayo ng
Slow your swim,
powder, contour.
was slammerized just like yours. But everything
Ginagamit ko
is
pala ang
innocent.
powder contour isa din dito sa Pink Flash.
He's guilty, all right. You see, you're all
We can't let Bentley kick out Slobby. We need to find the bishop who really did this so we can prove he's innocent.
Ayan.
This looks like a job for Detective Mini-John and Watson. And I can help too.
Nangintay tayo doon sa ating super light lang kasi meron naman yan siya.
Extra slobbery. Definitely a clue. What about you, Hank? See anything else? Hank? Just a minute. I'm cleaning Slobby's teeth. Hank? We're supposed to be looking for clues. Maybe there's a clue in Slobby's mouth. A Russia. I don't think Hank's getting it. Maybe we should move
Perfect.
on. Next, we'll show you how to question
Yan lang natin.
Sissy, when did you first realize your mittens had been slobberized?
I came into my life.
So sa ating powder brush, we're going to use the Curry Line Oil Contour Blush on in the shade Pink Prison.
How do you get your mustache to look so fancy? Hank? I don't think that kind of question will help your investigation.
Yan, super cute. Nagganong pa. Ito na lang brush.
I only use her fancy mustache grease for my
Yan, so may itong
signature.
brush na ito is matagal na ito sa akin.
Interesting.
But what does that have to do with my mittens?
Nothing. I think that's all the questions we've got. Where are we going now?
Yan.
Okay, Hank. It's time to go over all the clues and crack the case. Clue 1. We found slobber at each of the crime scenes.
Ano lang tayo sa ating ilong para
There was a trail of footprints at
parang may
Bentley's
sun
house.
kiss.
And look at this clue. I can move just like the slobbers look.
Yan, so pretty.
After looking over all the evidence, I see only one possible suspect. Me
Yeah.
too. The slobber slug. What? How can you even...
Nagalang tayo itong eyeliner. This eyeliner is from
Something
O2.
fishy's going on here. We need to get to Swimming Hall.
Splish splash! We've lost
Nanginginig pa
our
yung kamay
precious
ko.
key!
I tried to warn you. That slimy slug is on a rampage.
No, he's not.
Kaya ayan lang
It's
guys.
him, the slobberizer.
But he's innocent.
Gagamitin natin, lagay natin sa lips is itong from Pretty Secret with the glow. In the shade Worm. Kasi ginamit lang din natin kanina sa ating shakes. So, napaka-light lang talaga ng kulay nito guys. Diba? Ayaw niya lang lumabas.
Hey, this isn't right. Swami's innocent, and I can prove it. But Hank, you didn't find any clues. Yes, I did. I just found them my own way. Fishy's a carnivore, though. This is the slobber from Grandma's garden.
You see, that proves he did it. Case closed.
But it doesn't doesn't smell like
Parang
sloppy
siyang
slobber
yung
at
ang
all.
labas niya.
And I should know. I brushed his teeth.
Hank's right. This slobber smells nothing like the slobber slug.
Interesting.
What does it mean?
But we saw the slobber slug swallow the key on TV.
Nagpalit lang ako ng curler guys kasi yung sa auto na mga bat. Sakit ng mata ko.
He says he liked Bentley because he was
Ayan,
just being
and
friendly.
I'm going to use the mascara from Flormar. Ito yung sabi ko lang din sa Watson.
Splish splash! It is my great honor to announce the slobber slug is
Ang
finished.
bet ko kasi ito kasi nakaka-extension ng ayun sila.
Slobby. Hank, we're sorry we doubted your mystery solving methods. Yeah, we shouldn't have assumed that our way to find clues was the only way. That's okay. I'm just glad Slobby's a free slug again. Me too. But what about all the messes Bentley caused?
Oh, I had an idea.
The toil, the labor, my fancy.
And lastly is itong highlighter sa ating nose. Sa ating right ng cheek. Dito guys. And blend lang natin. So kahit ito guys, makulag din kasi hanggang na yung natural na pang-highlight na ginawa ko guys yung powder. And lastly is iset lang natin yung loose powder. Ayan, ito lang kadali yung makeup ko.
Pups without toys box. Great job carrying up the pups and making some pups happy who aren't as lucky as you.
Alam mo kung saan ako tumatanda doon pa ako nahilig sa makeup.
It's awesome to see you. What's that, Pop? What a great surprise, Mary.
Siyempre, everyday nag-practice ko guys para matuto din ako ano yung mga techniques na ganyan.
We had so many great adventures in the city.
Tapos nag-aipon din ako ng mga makeup products.
Time to go on another one. We've got to find whoever made that mess. Oh, no, Liberty. No one made this mess. We're just cleaning up and giving away our old toys.
Oh, got it. But it sure would be great to do a rescue with you pups again.
Baka may mga ma-recommend kayo na good for oily skin
Since you've never been here
sa mga
before, you
makeup.
could
Basta
trade
tayo lang sa ating budget right
wishes
now.
you've done it. Don't worry, Cat Turbot. I'll save you from the
Makahina din.
No, no, Wally the Walrus.
Itong setting spray ad from
Squid Jerky's his favorite fishy food. Want some, Liberty?
Oh,
ito yung kanyang
thank you. Never heard of anyone having a walrus for a friend. But hey, it's all good. See you around, Cat Turbot.
Itatry lang natin. Ayun lang guys, so this is our final look. Ayan. So ito na yung review natin kayo na itong eyebrow mascara gel from Baby. Ayan. So as you can see guys, ayan.
Winter in your pocket.
Pag makakapal yung kilay mo, kahit ito lang yung i-apply mo. Ayan. So meron akong dark brown and ash brown na shade. So yun lang guys, hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you around.